Holy shit, there's a mezzo right above me. This thing might produce. Alright, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. The wind is... Oh, we got a power flash. Oh, there's a tornado right in front of me. Tornado right in front of me. Oh man, there it is. Tornado right in front of me. Tornado. Holy crap. Oh man. Oh, it's right there. Keep going. Keep going. So hard to see, but it's right there. Oh yeah, tornado. Make sure we're in focus. Warn these people, they probably see it. That's a tornado. Alright, we're behind it, so we're safe. But this thing is right in front of me. Oh man. Alright, Alright, that was dangerous. There's a car. Oh no, they were hit. Someone was hit. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Damn it, damn it. Alright, we gotta check on these guys. Alright, we're good, we're good. We're safe here. All right, he's fine. He's fine. He's fine. God damn. Hey, yo! What? Is he blocking that side? Do you want to call 911? What? Can you call 911? I can. Can you? Yeah, I got you. All right. Holy freaking crap.